Hello guys, and welcome to Tactical Team Denmark's YouTube channel. We're gonna post some weapons reviews and we're gonna post some live actions, battles, with airsoft. So today, our first video, we're gonna start with the brand new Blackwater 15. It shoots about 130 meters per second. Got a pretty good fire rate. Pretty fast, pretty hard weapon. It's a beautiful gun too. It's like the M4 model's F15. So it's a pretty solid gun. But this grip wasn't with it. Some cheap shit aboard. And yeah, the gun got some pretty cool features. Like you can lay down their sights if you feel for it. And you can put them out again. Battles. And you will review the hub-up system. Pull back loading grips. And the hub-up system, that little one sitting right there. Then you can change it if you feel for it. You can close this one if you feel for it. Yeah, so, well, I'm gonna show you the rate of fire. But, yeah, that's what we start with the semi-automatic. See the gun in action. It's pretty windy, that's why you can see the bullet curve. Not like when they want it. Reload time is a bitch. Yeah, I hope I got bullets now. Well, fuck it, we don't turn the shit around. Rate of fire. That's it for this Blackwater 15 model. It uses the regular M4 Max, so you can buy a lot of them. You can use it to your Blackwater 15. Thank you for watching Tactical Team Denmark's video. Leave a like and subscribe for more weapons and videos. Thank you.